Good morning, student. Again, welcome in our YouTube class. Now, today we will again discuss about the exercise 14.2 of question 2. First part we have discussed in the previous class. Today we will discuss about the second part and as one. 63a square minus 112b square. If you please see here, 63. It is not any स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी नंबर, ये किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर नहीं है, 112 किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर नहीं है. व्हेन वी सी इफ देयर इज नो एनी नंबर which are the square of any number, then you should split with the help of the prime factorization method like this. 63 you should 3 to the 6 3 by 3 3 7 and 7. इसको भी कर लीजिए 112 2 6 जा 2 5 12 26 28 14 7 and 7. Okay, used to write 3 into 3 into 7 a square minus 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 और b square. ठीक है, अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि आप इसको स्प्लिट कर दिया. आफ्टर स्प्लिटिंग द टर्म, नाउ वी शुड चेक there is a number या फिर there is a value which are common in both term. Please see, 7 is here and 7 is also here. It means 7 is a common. So take 7. After taking common 3 into 3, a square minus 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, b square. Why multiply? You will see in the next. Okay, 7. You should write 3a whole square 4b whole square. अभी देखिए, अभी ये आपका 3 into 3 मतलब 2 टाइम्स है. We should write 3a का whole square 4 into b का whole square. Now please see, you can apply the identity a square minus b square. In this expression you should find the identity. 7 3a minus 4b and 3a plus 4b. Why? Which identity? A square minus b square, a minus b and a plus b. We have discussed about this identity. On the behalf of this identity, we should solve this question. It is the result. Please see the next question. Now please see the next part of the same question. Here there are two terms, l plus l का whole square and minus l minus m का whole square. Okay, we have solved it. We have to factorize it. You should apply two ideas here. First, you should take l plus m को आप a मान लो और l minus m को b मान लो. ये a square minus b square होगा. You should simplify with the help of the a square minus b square. It means first bracket में a plus b and second bracket में a minus b. या फिर you should apply a two identity separately. a plus b का whole square a minus b का whole square. आप दो आइडेंटिटी है, दोनों आइडेंटिटी को आप सेपरेटली पहले ऑब्टेन कर लीजिए. फिर आफ्टर दैट वी विल सॉल्व. जैसे a plus b होल स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर plus b स्क्वायर plus the 2ab minus before the bracket we there is a negative sign, so you use the bracket a square plus b square minus the 2ab. If two or more than term are there and then before this term there is a negative sign, then you should use a bracket, because when you open the bracket then all the sign of the bracket will be changed. How? Please see here, l square m square 2lm. Please see here the plus multiple, if there is no sign you should say positive sign is there. Plus minus minus l square plus minus minus m square minus minus plus 2 times of l. After opening the bracket, now you should say there is a like term or not. If there is a like term, then we should add or subtract. Okay, please see, l square is here and l square is here. There is a plus and here is a minus. You should use the plus minus. M square positive, m square negative, you should also subtract. Okay, 2lm is here plus 2lm is here. Again we see lm is the like term. 2 times ln and 2 times ln. How much times are they? We can write 4 times ln. It will be your result. Alright. Now please see the next part of the same question. Now please see. Here is 4 term. In the previous question, or previous type of question, we have discussed if there is a 4 term, you should select 2 pair at a time. If you select 2 pair at a time, then 5a minus whole square or 4b minus 2b minus 2b का whole square. But here is no common factor. Only c and d. तो इसमें how can we solve? If there is in this term, we see what is the multiplication of more than 2 variable. जब 2 देखते हैं यहाँ पे a स्क्वायर है, b स्क्वायर है, c स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पे bc है. इट मीन्स हम bc वाले टर्म को पहले एक साथ हम इसको सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. इट मीन्स b और c here you should see like this. You should write 25 a स्क्वायर. अब देखिए प्लस ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखते हैं -4 b स्क्वायर प्लस 28 bc माइनस का 49 c. You know in the identity a plus b का whole square या फिर a minus b का whole square, a square और b square is always positive, but here b square and c square is negative. For converting to positive sign you should take a common of negative sign. हम पहले क्या करते हैं, 25 a स्क्वायर है, हम नेगेटिव साइन को पहले कॉमन निकालते हैं. जब माइनस प्लस माइनस, जब नेगेटिव साइन को बाहर निकालने में प्लस और माइनस माइनस हो जाएगा. अब अंदर का सारा साइन चेंज. 4b स्क्वायर माइनस, ये when you take the negative sign common, minus will be converted into plus, and plus will be converted into minus, and minus will be converted into plus 49c square. Okay, 25a square. Now please see here, you should write 2b का whole square plus 7c का whole square. Okay, ये जो minus you should write a minus. You should express like 2 a b. Okay, please see here, you should find there is an identity a square plus b square minus 2ab. It means it is the identity of a minus b का whole square. 2b is a, 7c is a b. You should write, and you should also write 5a का whole square minus 2b minus 7c का whole square. Again please see, now here is the identity a square minus b square. You should write first bracket में a minus b, within a second bracket a plus b. Okay, please see here, here is the identity 5. You should take 5a is a capital A and 2b is a capital B. After, okay, now you can also again apply this identity a plus b a minus b. ओके, अभी देखिए a प्लस b, a माइनस b. ओके, नाउ प्लीज ओपन द ब्रैकेट. 5a plus 2a minus 7c. If before the bracket positive sign are there, then there will be no change in the bracket sign. But if negative sign is there, plus minus minus 2b minus minus plus 7c, it will be your result. When you will open the bracket, if there is a negative sign, then the total sign of the bracket will be changed. It means it is your final result of same question. Remaining question you will try. Okay, let us see question number 3rd. Now please see, factorize expression. We have always factorized the third part of the question. First is here ax square plus bx. You should check there is a common term. It is a simple like this question. Okay, ax square plus bx. You should check x is the common in this in the expression. X is 2 times and x is 1 times. We always say if variable are the common in every expression, you should check what is the smallest power of the given variable. Okay, here x power 1 is the common. It means you can take x after taking x common. Here x was 2 times. After taking the common 1 times will be remaining plus b will be there. It will be your result. Okay. Again, please see. It is the real. Please see the same question. am square plus bm square plus bn square plus an square. There is a fourth term. Now you should take. Okay. There is no. Now in this situation you can take a pair. ठीक है, you should select a pair of the two terms. ठीक है, इसमें दो पेयर लेते हैं like this one और this one. आप बेटा इसमें किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन को आप आगे पीछे भी करेंगे तो नो प्रॉब्लम. हम a को a के साथ ले सकते हैं और b को b के साथ ले सकते हैं, या फिर देखिए यहाँ पे m स्क्वायर बोथ आर देयर. you should take m स्क्वायर. जहाँ पे आपको लाइक वेरिएबल अगर देखते हैं कि अगर a के लिए मिल रहा है या फिर m है, m का हमें मिल रहा है, तो आप दोनों में से किसी एक को सिलेक्ट करके उनको एक साथ ले सकते हैं. Here m square is the common, you should take m square. After taking the common, a and plus b will remain. In this expression, n square is the common. n square b plus a will be remaining. m square a plus b, or you should write n square. b plus a or a plus b both are the same. Please see, a plus b is also here and a plus b is also there. So you should take common a plus b. After taking the common, you should find m square and n square. It will be your result. Alright. Similarly, you should. The next part of the same question. Question 7 part. 5y square minus 20y minus 8z plus 2yz. Okay, y is here and y is also here. You should take a pair 5y square और 2yz. y यहाँ भी है और यहाँ भी है और यहाँ भी है. किसी एक को आप अपने एक साथ रख लेते हैं. ओके, ठीक है. अभी देखिए, अगर आप इसको इसके साथ रख लेते हैं 5y square plus 2yz minus 20y minus 8z. आप किसी को भी आगे पीछे अगर पोजीशन मतलब उसको कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी के हिसाब से या फिर आप किसी भी पेयर को एक साथ ले सकते हैं, तो देयर विल नो चेंज इन योर रिजल्ट. अभी देखिए इसमें क्या कॉमन है, ओनली y इज कॉमन. यू शुड टेक y. आफ्टर टेकिंग द 5y plus 2z will be there. What is the common in the four equation? 4. What is the maximum common? 4 into 5, 4 into 2. It means 4 is also common. Okay, 4. But see, in the first x bracket, only positive sign is there. When you take the only 4 common, negative sign will be there. So please take a common minus 4. When you take the negative sign common, then the bracket value will be, the sign of the bracket will be changed. If you say minus 4, it means there will be plus. 4 5 are 20. 5. Okay. Minus sign will be common plus 2z. Here is the 5 y plus 2z and y minus 4. It will be your result. Right? Please see here. Take a. Okay. You should take. आप इस एक के साथ इसको ले लो, चाहे इसके साथ किसी को ले लीजिए, कोई देखिए नो चेंज ना. If you select this pair, what is the common? 2 into 5 and 2 into 2. It means 2 and a is the common. You should take 2a within a bracket 5b plus 2a. After taking the common, 2 5 are 10. 5 b will there, 2 to the 4 2a. If there is a no common, if there is no common, we no 5b plus 2. We know if in the expression if two or more than two number, if there is no common factor, we can say by default one is the common factor. We can say one is the common factor. Please see 5b plus 2a, 5b plus 2, sorry 5b plus 2a. Please see here, when you take the common a, it means there will be only 2, right? When you take the common a, there will be only 2 because a is the common. Please see 5b plus 2 and 5b plus 2 is here. You should take 5b plus 2 as a common, then 2a plus 1 will be remaining. When you take the 5b plus 2, here 2a plus 2a will be remaining. After taking the 5b plus 2, only 1 will be here remaining. Okay. So, student, so that's all for today. The remaining question you will try. If you have any doubt, then we will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.